Hi guys, it's Tony. Today we're going to be making some Angel Delight, and this is the 59-gram packet. It's really easy to make, and it's a great way of using up any can of milk that you've got kicking around. So firstly, what we need is just a Pyrex dish or something like that. It needs 300 ml of milk. Right. So Angel Delight's like, it's one of my favourite. The chocolate one is the best. And you do all sorts. So just empty that out, guys. Really easy. Just get some milk, and then just measure it up to 300 ml. I'm using full fat milk, so you want to be on that line. Anything more and it just gets runny. So that's absolutely brilliant. I'd say it's about half a pint, something like that. Okay. So then just gradually just pop that in there like that. It takes 5 minutes to set. So that's all the milk in. Just give it a whisk. I was going to make some of this ages on, but I managed to go and get some fresh whole milk this week because I found that it was cheaper than a UHT. But it depends how much I use. I'll probably go back to UHT, to be honest, because this runs out on the 28th of July. Because I'm on my own, it goes off quick. So give it a real good whisk round. Get that in there. As I say, it's not much. It just says here, add the Angel Delight, whisk until light and creamy, leave to thicken for 5 minutes. So we'll just put that in the fridge. Now I'm going to get on with this. I'll be back in a bit. So all we've got to do now is just open up the fridge, take the Angel Delight, which is just whisked up. I just pop that in the middle of the fridge, drop it in. Okay guys, I'll be back later on to see how it's set. Alright guys, we'll see what this is like. Looks pretty good. Looking at it, it's kind of... So it's set reasonably well. I would say give it a little bit longer. But I'm going to do the usual testing out, you know me, so... Real nice. I like Angel Delight, it's probably the nicest one, but Asda's is pretty good as well, and most of them there are, you know, it's nice, you can see it's thick. I'll just leave that in there for a little bit longer, but I thought I'd use that up. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. As always, why not subscribe, like, helps me really out. Usual stuff. Catch you later.